And you know what's crazy, Wayne? I heard somebody was talking about you the other day, and they was like, they can't even get Wayne to do no TV or nothing like that because you making so much money doing stand-up and everything else.
Oh, yeah. I can't do no TV right now. I just did a TV show with BET, though.
You did?
It's coming out.
Okay.
And I got a book deal, man. They gave me a book deal, almost 7 figures for my life story.
For real?
Straight up.
Who you did it with?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be talking about them people. They up here, though. They in New York.
Simon and Schuster, Random House.
It might, but I don't want to say the wrong one, but you know about the book situation.
Yeah.
They gave me a book deal, man, and what it is, I'm doing so much of my own stuff, and they still, when they see, auditions and stuff, it be like, it just don't, like, I'm about to shoot my own movie in January in Atlanta, you know what I mean? And it's just like, when you do your own thing, because you don't trust the system. I was out there in LA for 2 years. Mm-hmm. And it's like, you having these general meetings and all that. I'm like, man, hold up, man. So you telling me I'm really waiting on y'all to give me a year. So at some point, it just became, bro, let me do my own thing. And that's when I really turned up. I felt like who I was when I got in this thing. It's like I was an entrepreneur getting into the comedy game, and then the comedy game turned it back to a job. Because you just doing shows and comedy club. But, man, hey, man, you waiting on Hollywood to give you opportunities, but man, most of the time that opportunity ain't coming.
And that shit'll suck your creativity.
Oh, it take it because now you ain't even around your people anymore. So now you get in LA out there, you on an island. You're not even connected to
the soil
of creativity, man. When the pandemic hit, man, I was really broke. I went broke because
during the pandemic,
man, that's in my book. Man, I was down $13,000. Huh? But then I ran it up to $7 million in 300 days.
Wayne, ain't no way in hell.
Now hold on. Okay, now let's be clear though. You do got a lot of kids, and that is the number one reason.
I'm a realistic person. When that pandemic hit, you got about 100. You know what I'm saying? Just paid taxes now. You know what I'm saying? Trying to pay them early, do right. I shouldn't did that.
100,000?
Right.
What?
You said 100?
Taxes.
No, I'm talking about I just paid taxes. The pandemic hit in March.
Okay.
I'm trying to pay them early.
Got you.
Trying to do right.
Yeah,
I shouldn't did that. I should have just kept it. But anyway, I had about $100,000, but my bill's about $78 a month. So that first bill came, we ain't know about no SBA or nothing. So I'm like, God, dog, boy, I got down to 13,000 credit cards maxed out and everything.
Damn.
I was, but I was my faith in God. So I was like, well, all this Jesus Papa stuff I've been talking about.
Now I'm gonna see if this book of Job real now.
I'm finna see it, man. I was about to sell NutriBurst. One time I was like, shit.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, for real, I'm a hustler.
You was about to do NutriBurst.
I'm about to do NutriBurst. I ain't got no pride. You know what I mean? I was like, look, bro, but I say, man, this the time that all this positivity and help is on the way and Jesus popping. It's real, man. God came to me, and I had all my kids in the house. He was just like, start doing these skits, and I wasn't doing it for the money. I'm like, well, it'll keep my buzz.
Yeah. Give
the people, man, and then that thing went up. Like,
that's great when you do something and it's not for the money, and then it bring you money.
Yeah, I knew God was gonna do something, because I was like, man, I don't scream his name too loud. And boy, he took me in the pandemic. He gave me my independence back to the point I didn't even need Hollywood. You know what I mean?
Man, what the fuck am I missing? Because I thought you was out here doing all types of shows and shit before the pandemic.
Up, man, them shows don't add, man. You go to the comedy club, you pick up 30, 50,000 when you hot, but man, that ain't no. Think about the agent gonna get 10, manager get 10. So if I make 40 grand, $8 gone. You got 32 left. It gonna cost you $7 to travel for real, especially if you got a crew. So you had 25 racks.
Then child support.
Then child support, man. That you ain't finna get rich just touring.
Damn.
You know what I mean? And that's what I had to learn, man. And you don't know it until it stops.
Yeah.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You got to own your content, and they teach us about that, but you don't never know it. But online, I learned the game. It ain't about the money I'm making. Now I'm making a lot of money online, but it's the fact that even if I start right now, I'm gonna make a certain amount because the content. And it's like, man, that's what put me in there.
You got catalog.
Yeah, catalog. It's like, man, these people, boy, they'll tour you to death and keep you out there on that road and won't even grow your career because you just touring,
That's
but
right.
I could count. I'm like, man, I'm making $1 million a year, but after taxes, and if you pay your taxes for real, you know how that go, man. Like,
no, I don't.
Oh yeah,
I pay my shit.
One thing I want y'all to really know about this social media thing, anybody who you see out here who is consistently creative, who is consistently putting out content, whose videos you see getting shared all the time, they're intelligent people. I don't care where they came from. I don't care what their background is. I don't care what their education level is. A lot of y'all be assuming because of somebody's accent or where they from or what they about or their skin color or whatnot that they lack the intelligence to get this done, and that's just ignorance. Kountry Wayne Wayne has completely broken this down for you in a way that a lot of comedians should have picked up on before, on a way a lot of artists should have picked up on before, on the ways that a lot of entrepreneurs need to be picking up on this right now. If you didn't understand what he said, you need to watch this entire video. If you did understand what he said, you watch this entire video because I'm going to add to it about a lot of stuff that he's done and that I've done as well that can really help you. So anybody that wants to know how to consistently make money on social media or being a content creator or being a creative in general or even in your own business, I need you to hit like, I need you to hit share, follow, subscribe, comment, all that other stuff that keeps these algorithms jumping in Alton Dorian Clark's favor.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here we got Kountry Wayne talking about how he flipped a negative $13,000 debt into $7 million. This man maxed out his credit cards. This man went broke during the pandemic. This man had kids he needed to take care of, and he just put all his faith into his content because that is what set him free. Not going on the road doing shows, not going to LA and trying to secure meetings. What set him free and has given him the leverage to do what he wants now, where he ain't got to do none of that stuff because he makes money from sitting at home, is his social media content. This is a golden case study on content marketing. When you create content, it moves on its own. You don't have to pay for it to move if you resonate with people, if you give them value. I talked to y'all about the 3 E's inside my class, how to market your music on social media. Available at Group82University.com. On sale for 50% off. You can get in for $250 right now. Go click the link at Group82University.com on Instagram and on YouTube and get in the class right now. But I talked to y'all about the 3 E's. Education and entertainment, and I ain't gonna tell y'all the last one unless you get in the class. I'm education. I'm constantly giving y'all value on how you can make money and get this thing popping. He's a great example of entertainment. He gave value because his skits are funny and they get shared. So because of that, when they're on YouTube, he gets ad money. He is big on Facebook. He gets ad money. You're able to get sponsorships, and this is your catalog. It's no different than an artist who's been rapping or singing for 25 years, and now he can just sit back and collect the publishing checks off their greatest hits because they're making money somewhere else and they're still getting money from their music because they have a catalog. That's how you gotta look at your social media content, as a catalog if you're an artist. Every single piece of content I put out is a digital store. Every single one. Every single one's getting me advertising dollars. Every single one's getting me affiliate link dollars. Every single one's increasing my brand awareness. Every single video is getting me paid some way, somehow. And I know a lot of y'all watching like, yeah, it gets you paid. You got 100,000. Shut up. I was getting money before that. You don't have to have a lot of followers to get money from your content. This man took himself out of debt. 13 racks. How many y'all in debt right now? You think your job's gonna save you? You begging for them to give you an opportunity to show the world what you can do, or you can turn on your damn phone and go live and create content that lives on forever. My YouTube videos gonna get me paid forever. You can post as much as you want, as often as you want, without any permission. Why do y'all keep standing in the line for the gatekeepers? Why do y'all keep waiting for permission to be great? You don't need them no more. They gave us social media, so use it. But you know what they're gonna look at? If they wanna put you in that movie, if they wanna give you a record deal, they're gonna go to your social media and look at your numbers. They're gonna look at your engagement rate. They're gonna look at your comments. They're gonna look at your likes. They're gonna look at your views. They're gonna look at how many people are paying attention to you, because there are way more people who are out here killing it with content marketing who they wanna sign, as opposed to your ass who's scared to post. This is why I changed my Instagram name from Dorian Group 82 Music Entrepreneur to Dorian Group 82 Content Marketing. It's changed my life. It's changed Kountry Wayne's life. What are y'all waiting on? Your world is right here, right here. You ain't gotta worry about nothing else. So if you are somebody who wants to truly understand content marketing, if you on Instagram, you click that link up top, and you go buy our class, how to market your music on social media. It's all about content marketing and how it will change my life. You on YouTube, you click that link in the box, buy the class, how to market your music on social media. Originally $2,000, on sale for $1,000, 50% off. Get you enrolled for $250 through PayPal credit right now. Y'all go watch another video. Shout out to Kountry Wayne. I salute you, brother. Been seeing your rise, man. Thank you for all the comedy. Your shit's funny, and you a smart dude. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true.
Group82University.com.